Friday, August 8th, 2025. Just for today, I will not anger. 8892. It would have been how many years now since I got married? I didn't even keep track anymore. 30-something years ago anyway. On that day, I said I do when I should have said I don't to the presence of anger that would permeate my life for the following 23 years. Yesterday, on the anniversary of that day, all these years later, I was triggered so badly that here I am more than a day later, and I still can't shake it. Anger is present, and I feel so filled with rage. I write to release its pressure. In the summertime, I drive a Medicab. I take people to and from their medical appointments. Within the scope of these rides are folks that go to the methadone clinics. This is my route. This is a colorful group of people. They're drug addicts who need this treatment for their recovery. Some need it just to survive another day. I have a long history of loved ones with this demon, so my compassion for them is deep. Their stories are educational and heartbreaking. Driving is the easy part, but a great deal of patience is required.
I had to kind of stop it a little bit, so I put it on ice.
Stop it?
Well, it slows it down.
And if I'm being perfectly honest, some of these clients are not the type of person you want in your orbit, much less in your vehicle. One such fellow was in my car for rides this week. Yesterday, this man abruptly exploded on me with an abusive verbal attack. His rant was unprovoked, unwarranted, and irrational. There was a woman in the car sitting next to him, and she immediately came to my defense as he was demanding that I go where he tells me to go and do what he tells me to do. In the far back seat sat two men in their 30s, both quietly looking out the window. It's important that I state that because it seems to be part of what's triggering me at this moment.
That's nice.
The lack of moral courage and backbone that these two men did not step up. Yet the woman sitting next to him was the only one with any sort of courage. These are the boys in my car, bullies and cowards. As this is happening, I could feel my whole body filling with rage. I'm still trying to shed this feeling. All these years, I've expressed to my students that anger can be present and we don't have to be in it. But here I am, reminded that it takes work. Today, I feel myself standing in a pool of rage. My neighbor, also a survivor, came to check on me. She stood on the edge of my rage pool and listened to me vent. And then she reminded me, "You are stronger than this. Don't let them win."
That's enough, Josie.
And she's right. So just for today, I will not anger. I will walk. I will paddle. I will make pizza dough. And I will make amazing pizza. I will breathe deeply.
Look at that.
I will rest. I will
You think,
draw.
Josie?
I will stretch.
Perfection.
I will meditate. I will breathe,
Look at that.
and I will
Oh
heal.
my goodness.
Tomorrow I will decide if this job is worth it. But just for today, I will not anger.